In this video, we are going to answer question A1, and this question is coming from Science Paper 1, 2020. Question A1 reads, how many significant figures are in 2.0800? Okay, so to answer this question, the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to look at the rules that we need to consider when counting the number of significant figures. So the number one rule that we need to consider, we need to remember that non-zero digits are always significant figures. Okay, for example, 245 has three significant figures because these are non-zero digits. They are all non-zero digits. Okay, rule number 2, any zeros between non-zero digits are significant figures or are considered to be significant figures. For example, 2035 has four significant figures. So we have seen that this zero is between two non-zero digits, which is 2 and 3. Okay, so therefore this number has four significant figures. Let us look at rule number 3. Rule number 3, leading zeros before non-zero digits are not significant figures. For example, 0.0045 has two significant figures. So the leading zeros or the zeros at first are not considered to be significant figures. So these zeros, the zeros leading the non-zero digits, are not counted or are not considered to be significant figures. So therefore, this number has two significant figures. Okay, has two significant figures. Let us look at rule number 4. Rule number 4, trading zeros at the end are significant figures only if there is a decimal point. For example, 100 has one significant figure because there is no decimal point here, but 100.0 has four significant figures. As four significant figures in scientific notation, all digits in the coefficient are significant figures. For example, 0.004506 written as 4.560 times 10 to the power negative 3 has four significant figures. Okay, so these are rules that we need to consider when counting the number of significant figures. Now let us come back to our question. So the question is saying, how many significant figures are in this number? So we can clearly see that this number has five significant figures. So the two zeros at the end are considered to be significant figures because there is a decimal point here. So these two zeros are called leading zeros. And this one is also considered to be one of the significant figures. Reason being, it is between two non-zero digits. It is between 2 and 8. It is between 2 and 8. So therefore, this number has five significant figures. Okay, our correct answer is D. We move to the next question, which is the question A2. Question A2, which of the following contains base quantity? Which of the following contain